Hi guys, Happy New Year.
Parang 37.
What's up, yo?
What's up, yo?
Basta kayo dun? Cool? Yeah. What's up, Kibog?
Sige, naga. Agang baga po.
Hi guys. Basta?
Panis!
Ano? Hi guys. What's up? Happy New Year.
Original ba to?
Ako?
Yung binigay mo, fake!
What's up, King?
Sasayaw kami mamaya!
Okay. Hello, girl. Hi, Beng. How are you?
What's up, man? Hello, what's up, man?
Okay na. Kamusta? Balita?
How's Thailand? Ano pa rin? Thailand pa rin.
Ano pa yung Thailand, sir? Ba, baby boy?
Thailand
Cool.
na ngayon sa may tsunami.
Yeah! Get that on video, ha?
Taiwan, di ba?
Parang may kailangan ka naman, compadre. Oh. Hi, Grandpa. How are you?
Ang Billy Crawford.
Kumusta? Huwag magulo, mamaya. Hi, Dave. Let's smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Mamaya. Smile. Yeah, look at that teeth. Yeah, right, boy. Look at that teeth. Yeah, that teeth.
Lapit mo, ganun.
Oh, panood. Okay. It's a freestyle, man. Hoy, gagayahin mo yan. Gagayahin mo yan, hoy. Come on, Dave. You got 20 seconds. Papa, man. Get 20. Get 15. That's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Right. All right. You got 15. Damn ass. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, Dad. Yeah. Yeah. Woohoo. All right. Yeah. Yeah. How about some grip walk? Fuck! Yeah, boy! Go! You got 15! Hey, Dad! What you doing there? Got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, record natin. Yan, magaling din yan. Yes! Anak yan, anak yan.
Are you reporting from Albay? You can see this is construction. Ngayon, nandito kami ngayon sa field of yung research area nila dito, Albay. We're about 1/4 the top of the mountain. Yan. Tingnan nyo na lang. Ha? Meron mga side dyan, may dagat. So, sorry mga guys. Ayaw nyo sumama. Kaya, hanggang video na lang kayo. Okay? Kasi kayo, magkaroon kayo ng life, no? Tingnan nyo. Enjoy the feeling. Okay? So, after working for 3 days, eto, Thursday ngayon. So, punta kami sa Sorsogon. Wala eh. After work, may pleasure. Okay? Kaya kayo nasa Manila, trabaho kayo, bahala kayo dyan. Diba? Bye! See you! Tiga. What else? What's for lunch, Ryan? Let me see. Oh, bawal ang baboy ngayon, di ba? Thursday. Okay lang yan. Wala ang kalati. Paggutom na. Okay, back to the reporter.
I hope next time to be able to join us. And to be able to see the beautiful scenery now. Ayun. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Part. Miguel knows how to treat a lady right, and that's why she's ever so thankful to be friends with him.
Picture ka ba doon? Oo. Ito pa mga ganyan. Sila dyan. Ayan, yan.